Hello, my name is Akash Narwaria, and in this video I will talk about my 701 SMART goals. Selecting a goal is a daunting task, and using a SMART goal method helps to monitor the progress, giving the sense of achievement and encourage to trying until desired results are not achieved. My SMART goal is to secure a B average for this quarter to meet the program requirement. It confirms as a SMART goal because it is specific, measurable in the sense that I will achieve a B grade or not. To attain this goal, I will attend all the lectures, TBLs and seminars. Also read the suggested readings and other study material thoroughly. This goal is realistic and time bound, as at the end of the quarter, I will get the grades and desired results. I used Cobb's learning cycle model to establish my goal. For example, I reflect on what was my knowledge and skill in the past and what is required for this course. Our midterm is over now and the result is out for all the modules, and I obtained B+ in 701 and 711. However, I secured C+ in 714 because I was tested positive for COVID-19 between my midterms and that impacted my performance. At the beginning of the quarter, my second goal was to do a remote accountant job in New Zealand to attain international exposure by mid of quarter 2. I have applied for jobs through Seek and LinkedIn. However, my profile was not considered as New Zealand employers hiring only the residents right now and not the remote workers. In the week 7, we have guest speakers Beth and Mulan who talked about soft skills which companies are looking for in the employees in the current scenario. After the seminar, I connected with Mulan to discuss my goal. She suggested that I should work upon my soft and technical skills and start building networking, which is quite specific and measurable. To attain this goal, I have enrolled myself for online trainings such as Xero and MYOB. I also participate more effectively and efficiently in my Strikes team to learn teamwork. And finally, I am improving my communication skills by actively take part in breakout rooms and TBLs. As of now, I am working on my goals and will complete them before starting of quarter 3. This process of goal setting changed my perspective for the future. I learned that the goals should be flexible and time bound. Many people waste their time on a goal that is not attainable and inflexible because sometimes when you reach in the middle of something, it is quite difficult to back off. So we should keep our goals specific, flexible and time bound. My goal for next quarter is to do the virtual micro internship to develop my employability skills and building networking. It enables me to apply practical knowledge in the coursework. Eventually, it will help me to attain my 701 goals. In conclusion, my current goal is to work on my grades and my second goal is to improve my technical and interpersonal skills, which is still under progress. I hope you like my video. Thank you so much.